Let's have a look at what are AI agents. AI agents are basically a system that enables large language models to perform some action by extending their capabilities through tools and knowledge access. Now, what are the tools? Tools are basically some functions which are executed based on the need. Whatever large language models you have used, for example, let's say ChatGPT. ChatGPT has its own knowledge. It does not have knowledge about, let's say, your private data. If you are working in an organization, you have your own data, and ChatGPT doesn't know about this data. And if someone wants to use ChatGPT to answer the question based on your organizational data, they won't get any answer because this is your private data. Now you can give access to your private organizational data to these LLMs through agents. Now if a user is asking question related to your private organizational data, and since you have given access to your private organizational data to LLM through these agents, they will get an answer now, because now your organizational data will be added to LLM's knowledge through context, and this is where these AI agents are very helpful. So basically these AI agents, they capture the user's question, they try to understand user's question. Based on the user question, these AI agents with the help of LLMs, they figure out whether LLM itself is capable to answer the user question, or to answer the user questions we need to pull the data from the private organizational data, which is the extra knowledge we are giving to the LLMs. So these AI agents are making this overall system very powerful, and we are able to use LLM's knowledge, LLM's capability, as well as we are able to use extra organizational data to answer users' query. So let's have a look at the characteristics of AI agent. AI agents are autonomous. They can operate independently without human intervention. So if you want to develop a project where human intervention is not required, you can do that using AI agents. So instead of human, AI agents will be making the decision here. Next feature of AI agent is decision making. They can process information and determine what action to be taken. AI agents are goal oriented. So when we configure AI agents, basically we tell these AI agents what task they need to perform. So we give the objective to these AI agents, and they work in a way to achieve these objectives. So AI agents are very much goal oriented. The next feature of AI agents is adaptability. They learn and improve from past experiences. So if you are having some conversation earlier with these AI agents, you give them your next question, they will take the past conversation history and experience in context before they answer your next question. So these AI agents are very much adaptable to new situation, and they learn from the past experiences. The next characteristic is interactivity. AI agents can communicate with other agents, and they can communicate with humans as well based on the need. And next and very important feature is tool usage. So if you are working on a project where you have to call some third-party APIs, or you have to connect to your database to pull some information to achieve a particular goal, or you want to integrate some other tools to extend the functionality of your application, you can use the tools feature with AI agents, and it works very effectively.